What's up everybody, welcome back to a new video. It's currently about 8:30 in the morning. Came into the office early because I wanted to go wash my car. I'm selling those Apex wheels and I wanted to get them clean, so I washed the wheels too. Those guys right there, if you watched my last video, those and these are going on today. I hope that we can get the right suspension set up for it to work and not have rubbing. Crossing my fingers. So today's the big day. I'm just gonna get ready. I gotta see how we can fit this all in the car, and then I think Parker's gonna help too. I'm ready, man. Today's the day. It's a good thing and it's a bad thing, because then you're like, you don't have to do a lot. Are you publishing a video?
No.
What video?
I'll make it private.
Just some schmeat in an E46. Oh, and the Sparko.
Yeah.
And just face it up, and we'll put stuff around it.
Snug in there.
Yeah, that should be fine.
That's about it. Protection.
All right, Parker, so I'm gonna vlog. My car's clean. Pretty much good to go. Oh shoot, I'm dropping all the tire pressure sensors. My cup holder is not working.
Man. So he's got 2 wheels in the front and 2 in the back.
2 in the back. That cup holder doesn't work. This one can't go out because of the wheel. So, all right, so we're good to go. Getting on the freeway right now. No cup holder, unfortunately that doesn't work, but I got Parker behind me and I have to be very careful everywhere I go, not just my front lip, but also I got E88's in this car. I want to rip it though. I'm so tempted. I can't. I have to brake. Don't do it. Oh, don't slide around in the back.
Turn right, and the destination is on your right.
Cool, so we're over at 714 Tires. This is the only shop I could find that would do the camber adjustment, alignment, mount, balance. Yeah, there he is. First of the day. Waited about 20 minutes and they're open. My homie Art, who owns this beautiful Miata over here at 714, we're gonna go ahead and get these on.
This is the rear, this is the front.
Okay. So that's the rear.
That's the rear tire.
Okay. my camera battery just died, so we're on the iPhone for a bit. So I apologize for any, I guess, bad quality. So if you guys don't know, this is their alignment rack. This is kind of where they mount everything. You get a little sneak peek right there, what it's looking like. The lighting's kind of rough, and I'm starting to realize how much I want to paint my calipers and my cage. So I'm gonna paint the calipers black and the cage black, probably matte black, and then remove that diffuser and also change out the exhaust tips as well. So there's a couple things I'm realizing, but the main thing is the wheels look unbelievably sick. I cannot wait to see it in the sun. Front fitment's kind of tight, but we're gonna go over here and make it better. So right now the front is way too tight. You have to run 3 degrees in the front, and it is so close to hitting the fender that I'm just a little bit worried. So we're gonna take it over to the alignment rack and see what we can do. This is Slicer's spec. This works on his car and other cars too. So we're gonna try to get it to work. Well, it works, just gotta adjust it. So before we move it, we're gonna go in here and just change it out real quick, thanks to the ISC coilovers with the camber plates. So we'll just eyeball it really quickly, and then I don't wanna drive it like this, especially having to turn around in the alleyway. I'd like to maintain my front bumper if I could, and my front fenders as well. Look at that paint though. Whoa. All right, so there's more camber that's maxed out. We'll see if that works. That's a tight fit. All right, he said to go drive it around the parking lot and see if it's okay. I heard a little bit of rubbing. Not bad. It feels different. The car definitely feels way different to me. I have not seen the car yet, so I want to go check it out in a sec. Dude, there's no rubbing. Oh man, it feels really good. Oh, there's none. There's no rubbing. That's what's up. Yeah, that makes me very, very happy. I was worried it was gonna rub, but I don't think it will. Okay, my first reaction of seeing the car. All right, haven't looked at the car. I see it slowly. All right, you guys are gonna get the first look. I'll give you the first look. You ready? I'm anxious. Oh, I saw a glimpse of it. Oh. Okay, bear with me, guys. So I want to put tire shine on, and I want to paint the cage black. But oh my god, it looks like a Shermer car. It looks like a Shermer car. Bro, oh my gosh. I have E88's now. Are you serious? Holy shit, dude. I have sliced respect E88's. No rubbing at all. 100% need to get tire shine on these things, but wow. Oh, yo. Look at that front fitment. Gonna paint the calipers too. Bear with me, guys. It's a project car, so. That's -3. Look at my headlight, dude. It's getting condensation, but it looks sick though. I put the windows up so you don't see the yellow cage as much. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can't believe that is my car. That's insane. What? I can't believe that's my car. Big shout out to 714 Tires. Thank you guys so much. They worked with me, they let me film. All the guys were helping me out with all my questions I had. And holy shit, dude, my car is on E88's. Let's go get some impressions from Parker. Oh my God, my car's on E88's. What? I don't believe this, I really don't. Brett Slicer, dude, thank you, Brett. Wow, I'm on E88's. Oh my God, yeah, okay. Ah! Hold on. Sorry it's vertical. I just can't film any other way. I just took an on-ramp and these tires grip so hard and they're not even warmed up yet. I had Federal RSRs before, 275 squared with a 12 mil in the back on Apex ARC8s. I know it's a mouthful, but now it's on Yokohama AD or AV8002 or whatever. And dude, I took an on-ramp and it was so smooth. I can instantly feel having a 295 in the back. Complete difference. -3.1 in the front, -2.5 camber in the back. Full alignment, everything's good to go. The car feels hands down the absolute best I've ever felt this car. It's crazy. I just drove by, hold on. Oh! The reflection is so sick! I can't believe I have E88's. I know most people are probably like, dude, who cares? They're just wheels. No, dude, they're not just wheels. This is like monumental for me, completely. And I wish I would have recorded the on-ramp, but dude, my excitement is out the roof right now. Holy cannot wait to go show Parker and show my mom and show my friends and DM all my friends before I put this video out. Bro! Oh, I'm so stoked. I'm getting DMs from you guys right now saying you're excited too. Thank you. What a fucking cool experience, bro. Wow. This guy says I can't wait for the video. I can't wait either. I'm so stoked. I'm so happy. For wheels. In wheels, bro. Oh, the reflection against the cars, dude. Yeah. Wow. This probably beats me getting the E92 M3. You guys remember that video? I was so happy. This is like different level. Even though my cage and my calipers are yellow and it kind of clashes. Oh, dude, it's not just the look. It feels so good with this tire setup. I can control it now. Before with the Federals, it was not comfortable. I did not feel like I had to control. I didn't feel like I had to control the car. I could go around turns, but this is planted, bro. I'm so happy, dude. I'm so happy. Life is good, man. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful in life, bro. And thank you guys for watching this. vibrating. What? E88's, man. I got fucking E88's on my car. Ah! I can't stop yelling, dude. All right, we're going to Precision. You guys are getting the iPhone experience today. Holy fuck. Isn't that crazy, bro? This kind of setup ever, bro. Back at my office now. Oh, dude. Okay, so I put tire shine on and I cleaned up the rims a little bit. Wheels, rims, whatever you want to call them. Oh my God, I'm just in awe. I'm scratching my head like this is my car. What the f? Wow. Wow. That is on a different level. See it, but go for it.
It looks so different.
Doesn't it? It's a whole different car.
Yeah, dude. Those are like a really nice pair of shoes. Those tires, dude.
See the camber, bro?